Next I'm going to show you the hardware that comes with the bifold door. This makes it a lot easier if you're doing an install. First you have this piece, and this piece here is spring-loaded. Okay. Now this plastic part goes in to the bifold door. They have it pre-drilled so you can put it on either side, thus making it reversible. Where this goes eventually, in the hardware track on a bifold, you have that circle there. This goes right in there, like that, okay? And it's spring-loaded, so that goes right in there. The next piece of hardware I want to show you is the wheel. It's really nice because it's spring-loaded. And this just slides into the track like this, and it's spring-loaded. Okay, now my wheel's right here on my bifold. So that just goes back and forth. Okay, the next part of the bifold door I want to show you is this is the bottom pivot. It looks like a star, okay, and it goes right in this bottom bracket. This bottom bracket goes on your jam side, okay, and the star fits right in like that. Okay, you can adjust left or right, and that's all there is to it. Last, you have this piece up here. This is your spring-loaded, they call it a snuggle. Keeps the doors lined up properly, up top. Obviously you have your top track, which is very important. And those are the main pieces. Last, the doorknob screws in from the back. So the doorknob comes like this. And those are your main pieces of a bifold door.